Okay, here's a short video just to give you an idea about the activity exponential graphs. Now, this is an activity I do with students once they know a little bit about the shape of the exponential function, but this is more to do with transforming it. So we're looking at three different transformations here: reflection, a stretch, and then translation. Now then, it's split into two different parts. There's an investigation at the start, and students can play around with these applets here and discover some of the properties of the transformation and how these sliders here are checking or changing the shapes of the graph. There's some challenges to do, and also once they think they've understood that, most importantly, there's a little quiz here giving them a check of their understanding. So that's the one on stretches. There is a third one here to do with translations. I'll just move that there. I've plotted some points with that to help the students see the transformations, and also there is the asymptote. Now then, once they've done that, they've done the quizzes, they've got a pretty good idea about transformation, and this is where the fun starts. So at the bottom of this page there are the games. So if we click on that link there, it takes us to this page here. I tried this with a group today. They had lots and lots of fun with that, and let's see how it works. So the idea is this: what we're trying to do is plot the blue line. This function here controls the red one, and what I'm going to try and do is make that sit on top. Now that's a bit difficult, so I'll give you a few clues. The first one is the function is in that format there. The other clues are that I've put the asymptote on there, and also I've plotted some points. So there are some clues to help you out with that. Now, of course, I've not prepared this in advance. Let's have a go at this. I can see it's sloping in the opposite direction, so a value of a to be greater than 1 works with that. And I think 2 is right because it looks to be doubling each time here. So I'm going to stick with 2 there, although I'm going to have to shift that. So I'm going to move it the other way, and I'm going to move it down as well. Of course, I haven't prepared this. And once I get that right, I get this lovely message here to tell me I've got that correct. Now then, there's loads of these stored in here, and all you have to do now is press refresh here, and it'll load up a whole new one. So what I might encourage students to do is try and do about 5 of those until they're confident that they really understand. So that's the first one. The second one is a bit more tricky, and I'm not giving any clues about this one at all. So the transformations are slightly different, and I'm not giving any hints about what that's going to be. Okay, so good luck with that.